So the question is, draw a line segment of length 6 cm using compass and ruler. Find a point P on it which divides it in the ratio 3:4. So now let's begin with the solution. We will first draw the line segment AB having length as 6 cm. Next we will draw a ray AX making an acute angle with the line segment AB. Now since we are given with the ratio 3:4, we will be making 7 points on AX such that the AA1 distance will be equal to A1 and A2. Next we will join the 7th point on ray AX with B. Now since again we are given with the 3:4 ratio, we will from the third point draw a line which is parallel to BA7. And we will do so by making an angle equal to the angle AA7B at A3. We will now get the point P which divides the line segment AB of length 6 cm in the ratio 3:4.